You can successfully approach women anywhere you want, in the club, in the gym, in the library, anywhere you want. But first, you must understand that any visible reality was first an imagination. Only if you can assume the feeling of reality of your imagination, it will get outpictured as a visible reality. So if you can imagine that you are approaching women in the places that you want to approach them, and you can see it in your mind that your approach is really going well. You can see it in your mind, you can visualize clearly that the girls that you approach are insanely attracted to you. You can see that their pupils are dilated. You can see that they are wanting to touch you. They are biting their lips. They are playing with their hair. You can see that you are taking them in your arms. You can see in your mind that you're smelling their perfume and they are complimenting you, saying things like, "Wow, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to meet a guy like you." You can see in your mind that you guys are kissing and you feel the reality of this imagination, then this imaginal act will get outpictured into your reality. You will lose all free will once you have properly felt the emotions of this imagination, and you will just be compelled to approach women the right way. You will be compelled to utter the right kinds of words. You will be compelled to exhibit confident body language. Girls in your visible world will lose their free will and they will be compelled to notice you, to compliment you, and to fall in love with you. All because you have just learned the secret of imagination. Your persistent imagination is creating your personal reality. Neville Goddard said this: imagination creates reality. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup. I learned a lot of psychology tricks and dating tricks in order to attract women. And then I got my first intimate relationship. But during COVID lockdown, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards. I started to meditate. And meditation taught me one thing: outer game techniques and dating tricks and psychology tricks never really worked. It was all my vivid imagination and feelings I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible world. My imagination and my feelings created a beautiful intimate relationship in my physical reality. So, the only true power that you hold within yourself is your own sense of imagination. So, please use it wisely. Please hold your imagination in your mind and mentally rehearse it and feel the reality of it. Then you will be able to approach women wherever you want, and that approach is going to go wonderfully because you have already imagined it going it wonderfully. However, a normal human being might not be able to visualize vividly. He might not be able to put the sensory tones, the things that he can see, things that he can hear, things that he can smell, things that he can touch, taste. A normal human being has a bad attention span. His attention will either go to the past traumatic event or it starts to anticipate a worst case scenario where the girl rejects you or slaps you in the face as soon as you approach as soon as you approach her. A normal human being has practiced feeling negative emotions, bored, unworthy for so long that it might be difficult for him to feel these elevated emotions of thrill, gratitude, victory, accomplishment, and success out of this imaginal act. So I recommend you to do this exercise every night before falling asleep for at least 30 days because you have to be able to train your faculty of your imagination, your attention, and the capacity to hold positive feelings. Only then your imagination will actually impregnate your subconscious mind. And once it impregnates your subconscious mind, you lose free will. You will be compelled to approach women and it is going to go 100% well. Girls will be compelled to fall in love with you because you have just landed a proper imagination plus feelings in your subconscious mind. By the way, you do not even need to wait for sleep in order to do this meditation. You can just do Yoga Nidra or non-sleep deep rest protocol, where you just guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation or a sense of sleepiness. This is when your breathing rate slows down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves slow down. When your brain waves slow down, your subconscious mind is receptive. Now is the time to imagine wonderful things happening to you. Now is the time to imagine that you're approaching girls, beautiful girls, and the approach is going really, really well. And whatever you have imagined will actually get outpictured into your physical reality if you feel the emotions out of your imagination. Now, if you want one on one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a very solid imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings so that whatever you have imagined will get outpictured into your reality, and you do not have to rely on any dating tricks and psychology tricks, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.